Hello guys, welcome to the A channel here, and today we're going to draw this. So it's like a pop-up present, and it says "I love you." So you're gonna need your colors, paper, and a pencil. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go over to that camera. And let's go. Oh, also, you don't need to learn origami to do this. It's so easy. Okay, so on to that camera. Okay, so here I have my thing. So this is how it's going to be folded. So you fold it from, okay, so you're gonna fold it in the middle, you're gonna crease it, and then you're gonna take one layer, not both of them, just one, see, just one, and you're gonna fold it, and you're gonna put this edge to this crease, then you're gonna fold it, and then there, you're gonna have one that's like extra white, and then one that's kind of like thin. So then, like, you can pop it open. So you're gonna sketch something in here. I like to do a present, so that's what I'm going to do. So this is like how you're gonna draw the present if you're gonna do it. So you're gonna do like a large square. Then you're gonna draw kind of like this shape, like a square. Then you're gonna draw another one, another square, and then you're gonna draw like a square rectangle. That's what I like to call these. And then another one. And then you can draw a super realistic, super cool bow. Not like the cute one that I'm gonna do. But I'm also gonna do like a different bow. I would just like to do this. So you draw like a heart but without the point. And then you do that. This way you make a shape. So then you unfold it and you draw whatever you're going to draw in here. But you have to like close the present. What should I draw? The bear. I'm gonna draw the bear. Okay, so I have my base. Just need to add all the details. Okay. I'm gonna add some blush here when I color it. Okay, okay, so this is gonna be fast forward. Okay. So once you have your shape or whatever you're gonna draw here, you're just gonna add all the details. I drew a bear. You can draw whatever you want. You can draw a pencil sharpener. You can draw a unicorn. Don't draw this one though, it looks kind of ugly. You can draw a Posca paint pen. I don't know, you can draw whatever you want. But I just want to draw a bear. And the bear is gonna have very tiny wings. Just some that does not look like a wing. Okay, so she has tiny wings. These are her little arms. I'm gonna make her sit in like this fluffy thing. It's like a fluffy land, like there's fluffy stuff all over it. So like now you just fold it back up. You can fix the line that you drew with the present or whatever you're gonna draw here if you're like you didn't do the present. So like that part was fine. So I just need to do that. And just fix the little mistakes. Okay, so once you have this, you're gonna color it. I'm gonna use these very pastel ones. Well, except for the yellow. This one is not pastel, but I'm gonna use yellow. So yeah, let's just get to the coloring. Poscas always win. Yeah. Okay. I have my color choices. I do know I want to make the bow pink. It's just gonna be pencil. Two more colors. I'm gonna put my signature. It's just my name in cursive. Nothing too exciting. I love it so much. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, time to move on to the inside. Still gonna use these colors and the streaky yellow. I like the streakiness of the other colors, but not the yellow. I'm gonna do a blending. I just learned how to blend. She needs a name. I've already named one of my creations to my place. So how about Fluffy? Yes. That's exactly what her name's gonna be, Fluffy. Just adding it to the pink. And then to the purple at the top. And then to the bow in the middle. Oh, and then the other wing because I forgot. Oh my goodness, it's been 19 minutes since I started. Okay. And then to tie it all together, I'm just gonna do some lines. Just tie it all together. Outline the face because it's kind of lost. Okay. I'm just gonna outline the whole thing. Okay, so Fluffy is done. So this is my finished product. I'm just gonna write her name. I'm gonna take a big dry. So from this, the little old present to this, I do think it's a bit better than what I did here. I didn't give this one a name. Who is she? Oh, I did a different mouth. I like the face better than this one. Fiona. Her name is Fiona. This one's Fluffy. I don't know why I'm just showing you the back. So, yeah, this is my design. I'm gonna switch over to this camera, and there we go. So I'm gonna fly over to that camera. Please. Okay, so I jumped over to this camera. I actually did not move this camera, but I did jump a bit closer. No, I did not. I just jumped. So this is my final product. Isn't she so cute? So yeah, it's time to end video. So like, subscribe, share, and psych out. It is time to end video. It is time to end the video.